All right, we have some breaking news coming in. The NCB now, it's confirmed, are all set to seek Aryan Khan's custody until the 11th of October. Here's the big news that we're currently tracking. NCB now in no mood to let off Aryan Khan and co. The NCB now wanting to get Aryan's custody until the 11th of October. Let me cut across to Divyesh. Divyesh, 11th of October, a few more days that the NCB is asking. On what grounds do we know? We know WhatsApp chats have been tracked of Aryan Khan. A lot of conversation that's referring to drugs, purchase, consumption, some pictures that they've found, some peddlers that they've somehow tracked that Aryan Khan has had conversation with, or through his friends that they've had conversation with some peddlers. So what exactly would be the basis of the NCB asking for extension until the 11th of October? That's another 4 days more.
Nabila, as I earlier pointed out, that one Anchit Kumar has been arrested from Powai area of Mumbai by the Narcotics Control Bureau. This Anchit Kumar, as per the NCB, was named by Aryan Khan and Arbaz Merchant. Remember, Aryan Khan and Arbaz Merchant have been friends for the last 15 years, and the same person was allegedly named, or his details were provided by Aryan Khan and Arbaz Merchant, after which NCB apprehended this person named Anchit Kumar from Powai in Mumbai. And what the agency officials say, what their lawyer has told the court, that these are factual developments and these further need to be investigated, and that is why they seek custody of the accused for further investigation into these factual developments. So this is one of the points that has been made by the Narcotics Control Bureau in the court, that is seeking custody till 11th of October for Aryan Khan and the 7 other accused involved. So it is 4 more days custody that has been sought by the Drug Enforcement Agency for Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant, Munmun Dhamecha and 5 others who've been arrested in the cruise drug bust case. NCB will make further comments on what all evidences they've found, but again the defense will argue on that, and it is after that the court will decide, after hearing arguments from both the sides, whether to grant the custody, extend the custody, or send the accused to judicial custody. Nabila?
Well, Divyesh, of course, now it's going to be tense moments for Aryan Khan and his friends. Of course, we're looking at the NCB seeking custody until the 11th of October. This means another 5 days more. It appears that the agency wants to really dwell and investigate into all those developments and to find out if those the kind of proof that they've got from phones of Aryan Khan and his friends is really factual, and if at all they have a lot more leads that they can find into the drug cartel which they're currently after. So NCB now to seek custody until the 11th of October. It remains to be seen how the defense lawyers would defend this